So here's another daily tip from your friendly local dermatologist. So part of my morning routine is I make a shake and I drink it on the way to work. And in that shake are all sorts of things, but I'll give you the quick ingredients. There's a whole avocado. And remember, it's not really necessary for you to buy organic avocados because the shell on the outside, the skin on the outside is so thick that most pesticides and herbicides don't penetrate through it. So anyway, whole avocado. I do half a cucumber. I do a whole handful of blueberries, and then I do chia seeds, and I do flax seeds, and I get the ground up version. I throw this in a blender, I blend it up, and I drink it on the way to work. Now, why seeds? And chia seeds and flax seeds have amazing health benefits. I mean, they're packed full of fiber, they're packed full of omega-3 fatty acids, and we know that the fiber is going to help our gut, it's going to lower our cholesterol. We know that the omega-3s are going to help our inflammatory profile in our body, and guess what? You can't even taste them in the vast majority of things. So if you get some flax seeds, you get some chia seeds, and you mix them into your salads or you throw them into a smoothie, you're never gonna know, but you're gonna be getting amazing health benefits. And if you have amazing health benefits, you're not gonna have as many problems with your skin. If we get enough oils and fats and the right types into our bodies, and we consume healthful products all day long, guys, you're gonna look and feel great and people are gonna notice it.